the Susitna, as I did mention. If you notice, there's a lot of the Na, Susitna, Talkeetna. Now, when you see that NA, it's actually a direct Athabascan translation, meaning river. So if you were to break down Susitna, given the fact that Susitna is the largest glacially fed river to start and end in Alaska, the Susitna translates to the river of sands, or the sandy river, by translation through the Athabascan language. Juvenile eagle, right above us to the left. Usually the eagles will use the train in tandem to hunt. Now the eagle, the cool thing about an eagle is it only takes about 3 weeks for them to get to full grown size, but you can tell it's a juvenile because of the copy coloration. It takes about 4 to 5 years before they predominantly get that white and dark brown coloration to them. So that's a good way of telling if it's a juvenile eagle. If everybody jumps to the left side, you'll get the best view of Denali. Not only that, if everybody jumps to the left side, we can turn this train into a submarine. Okay, this train car alone is about 350,000 pounds, so it'll be quite difficult to do that.